You feel it every day. That 3 p.m. crash, the brain fog that won't lift, the constant draining fatigue. No matter how much you sleep, you've been told it's stress, you've been told it's aging, you've been told your metabolism is just slow. They are all wrong. Your fatigue isn't a lack of energy, it's an access crisis. Your body is full of fuel, but your cells are starving. Welcome to the SomaCodex. Today, we are not talking about sleep. We are decoding the silent epidemic that is stealing your energy at a cellular level. To understand this crisis, we need to meet two characters. First, this is glucose. It's the primary fuel for your body, created from the food you eat. Second, this is insulin. Think of insulin as the key released by your pancreas. The system is simple. You eat. Glucose enters your blood. Insulin is released. It binds to a receptor on your cell, the lock, and it signals a gateway called GLUT4 to open. Glucose floods in. Your cell gets fuel. You feel energized. This is biology working perfectly. But what happens when we flood this system? When we eat too many processed carbohydrates, too much sugar too often? The pancreas panics. It releases a tsunami of insulin to clear the toxic amount of glucose from the blood. Your cells, constantly screamed at by insulin, do the only thing they can. They stop listening. This is insulin resistance. The lock on your cell becomes rusty. The key no longer fits. And suddenly, you have two critical problems. Problem 1, cellular starvation. Glucose can't get in. Your brain, your muscles, your organs are starving for fuel. This is your brain fog. This is your fatigue. Problem 2, energy toxicity. All that glucose is now trapped in your bloodstream. Your body must do something with it. So, the liver converts every last drop of it into fat, specifically visceral fat around your organs. You aren't tired because you have slow metabolism. You are tired because your cells are resistant. So, how do we fix the lock? How do we resensitize our cells? This is the SomaCodex blueprint. 3 commands, not a diet, a protocol. Command 1, control the signal, insulin. You must reduce the frequency of the knocking. Stop snacking. Give your cells 12 to 16 hours of silence. This is called intermittent fasting. It lets your cells miss insulin again. It repairs the lock. Command 2, use the master key, movement. There is one thing that can get glucose into your muscles without needing insulin: exercise. A simple 10-minute walk after a meal acts as a master key, forcing that glucose into your muscles instead of your fat stores. Command 3, change the fuel mix. Prioritize protein and fiber. Eat your vegetables and your protein before you eat your carbohydrates. This simple food order acts as a sponge, slowing the glucose flood into a manageable trickle. That fatigue you feel? It is not who you are. It is a symptom of a system that is locked. Your energy is not gone. It is simply waiting. And you now have the keys to access it. This isn't just about weight loss. This is about reclaiming the one thing that matters: your focus, your clarity, your vitality. This is the difference between living by default and living by design. This is the SomaCodex. Subscribe, because in our next episode, we will decode the #1 supplement scientifically proven to accelerate this entire protocol.